Today, we will discuss about characteristics of domestic wastewater or characteristics of domestic sewage. It is very important to determine the components or properties of sewage to decide the line of treatment. It is very essential for waste management program. Quality of sewage plays an important role in the design and construction of various treatment units. The factors which contribute to variation in characteristics of the domestic sewage are daily per capita use of water, quality of water supply, and habits of the people. The treatment given to sewage should be such that it can be easily disposed of in natural stream or river. The treated sewage parameters must be within prescribed limit for disposal. There are three types of properties of sewage. The very first one is physical properties, chemical properties, and the last one is biological properties. Physical properties, in which the very first one is temperature. The normal temperature of sewage is commonly higher than the water supplied due to the domestic and industrial activities. Temperature of sewage is an important parameter because its effect on chemical reaction rate and aquatic life. Increase in temperature can cause a harm to fish and other aquatic species that are present in the water bodies. Increase in temperature may also result in depletion of dissolved oxygen. Another physical property is specific gravity. The specific gravity of sewage is nearly equal to that of the freshwater supplied. Then, color. Color of fresh sewage is earthy or gray, or it is somewhat brownish color. At a temperature of above 20 degrees Celsius, sewage will change from fresh to old in 2 to 6 hours. And the old sewage is also called as a stale, and it is converted to dark gray and black color due to anaerobic activities. Some industrial sewage also add color to the domestic wastewater, and color of sewage changes due to the biological reactions. After that, one of the most important property is odor. Fresh domestic sewage has a slightly soapy or oily odor. It starts to give objectionable odor after few hours of its production. Stale sewage has a pronounced odor of hydrogen sulfide. The odor at low concentration has no effect, but high concentration cause poor appetite for food, lower water consumption, impaired respiration, vomiting, etc. The next important property is turbidity. Turbidity is a measure of light transmitting property of water used to indicate quality of waste discharge and natural water with respect to colloidal and residential suspended matter. Normal sewage is usually turbid and it contains some matter which can be easily identified when the sewage is fresh. Such matter include fecal matter or night soil, piece of paper, cigarette ends, grease, then fruit skins, soap, mastic, vegetable debris, etc. Then solids. Sewage contains a very small amount of solid in relation to large amount of water. Liquid content of normal sewage is about 99.90% and the total amount of solid matter present either in suspension state or dissolved state is only about 0.10%. For normal sewage, it is estimated that 2 tons, or we can say that 2000 kg of sewage will hardly contain 1 kg of solids. The amount of 1 kg solid will normally include 0.5 kg in solution stage, 0.25 in settleable state, and 0.25 kg in suspension state. Sewage also contains some organic and inorganic matter. Inorganic solids in sewage includes mineral matter such as gravel, grit, debris, dissolved salt, sands, chlorides, sulfates, etc. And organic solids in sewage can be grouped into the following categories. It contains carbohydrates such as cellulose, cotton fiber, starch, sugar, and fats and oil received from kitchen, laundries, garage, shops, etc. And nitrogenous compounds which are nothing but protein and the decomposed product, and they include waste from animal, urea, fatty acids, hydrocarbons, etc. The next important property is chemical properties. Nature of fresh sewage and treated or purified sewage is alkaline. Nature of stale sewage is acidic. In addition to solids and liquids, sewage also contains various gases such as hydrogen sulfide, methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide. These gases are obtained either from atmosphere or formed by the decomposition of organic matter present in the sewage. It may be noted that the sewage containing industrial waste may possess unusual chemical properties. These are the some chemical tests which can be done to determine the chemical properties of sewage. Few of them are chemical oxygen demand or COD, total organic carbon or TOC, then nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorides, sulfates, then heavy metals like mercury, arsenic, lead, zinc, cadmium, copper, nickel, chromium, silver, etc. Last and again important property of domestic sewage is biological properties. Sewage contains bacteria and other living microorganisms such as algae, fungi, protozoa, virus, etc. Bacteria are present in sewage in large number, and depending upon their nature, they may be classified as pathogenic bacteria and non-pathogenic bacteria. Pathogenic bacteria are harmful and they are responsible for causing various diseases. Sewage obtains such bacteria from the discharge of persons and animals suffering from various diseases, while non-pathogenic bacteria are harmless. The major part of bacteria in sewage is engaged in carrying out the process of breaking the complex organic compounds into simple and stable compounds which may be organic or inorganic.